there were a few good guys at that stage. It was much more pure in the late 80s, early 90s in breeding in Holland, and there was a lot more exchange of information. And then obviously in the early 2000s, feminized seed and auto flowering and stuff started to take off. And, it's a little bit, it was where I lost a little bit of interest because, you can't keep mothers, you keep seed generations for auto flowering, for example. And I always like to be very consistent. So mother room and cloning room was always the most important. I called it the mothership. That was the most important room. Still is to this day. Where in where we grow.
Yeah, back at work.
Yeah, back at work, our main room with all the different mothers. 100 of each mother that we're using for commercial production, which is it. Still from those days, Critical Mass, Skunk One, Super Silver Haze.
Yeah, and all of those plants, they look fantastic.
Yeah, and you can see they're older than you.
Yeah.
So the thing is that the most important thing for the most difficult and the most important thing was keeping mother room and healthy clones going, and that is really difficult when you get busted and when you lose rooms, and everybody who's been a grower who's had those problems would understand that. So genetics has always been a very big thing for myself. It was a huge thing for Neville. Our passions crossed paths in that level. And it was a really stimulating time as well, working with Neville.